Hola, this is Melva from the island of La Palma in the Canary Islands. We're sitting atop a village or a small town called Puntallana, and this is our driveway. If you just kind of look, we have cactus. We have, what is that? Bird of paradise? We have bird of paradise. We have poinsettia. So there's where we're staying. Johnny was hanging off the edge over there someplace. Is that you, Johnny? And again, as always, forgive my huffing and puffing. Johnny's hiding in the bush. So it's a hazy day today, but the ocean is down there. Under normal circumstances, you could see Tenerife. This is out behind us. If you were coming to visit, you could go down this stair. So this is an original, typical Canarian cottage. There. But we're going to take you in the back way. It's the little car that we've rented, which is quite funny because it's a standard, and this is one of the steepest hills in the island. Or this whole island is full of steep hills. And this is an old equipment hut or supply hut. There's our little deck off to the side. That's off of our living room. We'll start upstairs. We've just thrown everything everywhere. So the downstairs are right there when you walk here. And we have a baño. Basic shower. This is the master bedroom. Closets, towels. Beautiful ceiling. Very much kind of reminds me of some of the Caribbean. There's the cute, this little bench thing seems to be a theme here. There's the views at our bedroom window. There's a small bedroom, but really it's for children. It's not meant for adultos. There. Again, beautiful ceilings. All right, now we're going down into our... This is just a rustic cottage. There's nothing fancy about it, but it's very quaint. Johnny, is there a window here? And this is just our little sitting area. We have doors, which will be open soon. We actually have a freezer, Johnny, but we have no oven.
We have nothing to freeze. We have no
ice cube trays, maybe? Let's open this. Why is this locked? Oh, there. So that was our kitchen. And this is our deck from down here. There's a path down to a neighbor's house right there. His family, to whoever owns this. This is the front of the cottage. And over here is we have lounge chairs, an outdoor kitchen-ish. There's a barbecue. That's it. This is Casa, Neolida in Puntallana, Las Palmas, Canary Islands, Spain. Here we go. Ciao, ciao.